Brace yourselves. This week, July 7th to 11th, over 45 corporate actions hit the markets. Think big dividends, bonus shares, right issues, splits, board meetings, from Sun Pharma to Titan, JSW Steel, JK Cement, Pfizer, even tiny Alkosigns 1 to 2 bonus. Want to know which stocks will trigger cash in your account? Stay tuned. You might miss thousands in free money. Here's your quick dashboard. On Tuesday, July 8th, mega names: Titan 11 rupees, JSW Steel 2.80 rupees, JK Cement 15 rupees, Solar 10 rupees, Pfizer 165 special plus 35 rupees final and 1-to-1 Megna Infra bonus. Wednesday, July 9th, Mphasis 57 rupees, SML Isuzu 18 rupees, Johnson Controls 36 rupees interim and more. Thursday to Friday, Dr. Reddy's 8 rupees, Apollo Tyres 5 rupees, Canfin Homes 6 rupees, IDFC First 0.25 rupees, Mahindra Logistics 2.5 rupees, Shriram Finance 3 rupees, Zensar 11 rupees, Zydus 6 rupees plus bonus, Dynamic Cables 1-to-1, Roto Pumps 2-to-1, Alkosign 1-to-2. What exactly do record dates mean? You need to appear as a shareholder on that day to get credit. X date is 1 day earlier. Buy before that and you're in. Buy afterward and you miss out. T+1 settlement applies, so buy 1 day before the record date to qualify. JK Cement example, big dividend highlights. Spotlight, Sun Pharma 5.50 rupees on July 7th. Titan 11 rupees, JSW Steel 2.80 rupees, Solar 10 rupees, JK Cement 15 rupees and Megna Infra bonus shares all on July 8th. Pfizer 165 rupees special plus 35 rupees final on July 9th, making that combined 200 rupees. These payouts reflect healthy earnings. Titan, Corona, JK Cement showing strong margins. Sector timing is key. Infra, Pharma, Auto, etc. Bonus shares and stock splits. Bonus shares are free equity. Megna Infra 1-to-1, Dynamic Cables 1-to-1, Roto Pumps 2-to-1 and Alkosign 1-to-2 on July 11th. Better liquidity and more shares immediately. Great for long-term holders. Stock splits. Paras Defense, Cool Caps, Elites, Padam Cotton split 1-to-2 or 1-to-10 to improve trade tactics. How to play? Buy before X date for dividends/bonuses. Expect price drop post X date equal to payout. Normal. Decide if you're holding for long term or booking post record date profits. Use bonus/shares as fresh SIP entry. Don't just sell them immediately. Sector themes and hot picks. Key sectors in action: Pharma, Sun, Pfizer, Dr. Reddy's, strong pipeline and yields. Infra/steel, JSW, Titan, Solar, JK Cement, riding infra upcycle. Auto/logistics, Apollo Tyres, Mahindra Logistics. Tech, Zensar, Mphasis. ETF flow may follow these as well. Anticipate sector momentum. Week at a glance. Buy before X date, mark your record dates, plan hold or dip, watch earnings and rights alongside. And here's your mission. Download the free tracker spreadsheet in the description, mark your targets, and get ready to capture these corporate actions. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell to never miss a finance hack. Drop your questions below. I want that 15 rupee payout.